the electric cars not being as prevalent out there without the government and other people pushing the electric cars, because people don't want to buy that shit. Real car people, unless it's, one of my friends has got a Plaid, a Tesla Plaid. Holy shit, that thing was fast. But we played with it for half an hour and they had to charge it for 2 hours. I wouldn't give you 10 cents for a Tesla. I'm sorry. It's not my thing. I'd rather ride a fucking horse than have a Tesla to drive. The Plaid maybe, but it's just not my thing. There's no soul in driving an electric car. It's like driving a golf cart with no wind noise, okay? The regenerative braking, all that shit is weird. And if you're a real car person, it's very, very hard to get on that electric bandwagon.